Alright, we're going to talk a little bit about a Kubota loader. I'm showing you an owner's manual here. They are important. Everything I tell you is in the manual, and there's probably more in there than what I'm going to remember. So use your manual when you're working with these tractors. The first thing, there is a service section in these manuals, and it'll show you where the grease fittings are, but essentially all your pivot points are going to have grease fittings on this loader. The intervals will be given in the book as to how often those should be greased and how much you're using it. The other thing I want to point out on a Kubota loader is there's two sets of holes on each side. What this does in the position we're in here, that's your high lift position. You get the most reach out of the loader. If you need more power, you put the pins in the bottom. But there are pins on both sides and they absolutely must match, otherwise you'll damage your loader. So this one's set up in the high lift position. This loader is also equipped with a self-leveling valve. So the self-leveling is adjusted from the factory to work in the high lift position. If you put it in the low lift, you're going to be off. If you want to adjust it, there's procedures here to allow you to adjust the valve to work in the low lift position, or you can select to turn the self-leveling off. There is a lever on the valve control, and it's in different locations depending on the tractor, but this happens to be the lever. And it moves up and down, and there's a position for standard loader operation, and there's a position for self-leveling. There's also a lock lever here that allows you to lock the control handle to where it doesn't move. That slides in and out on this particular tractor, but if you're doing something around the loader, it doesn't prevent hydraulic leaks, but it will prevent the accidental bumping of the handle and the loader dropping down. Next thing we're going to do is show you how to remove the loader from the tractor, and we'll have to have the tractor running to do that, so we'll start that process next. Okay, we're going to start the loader removal process. You need to have the tractor in park or the parking brake set. As recommended before, keep your manual handy. The procedure is in the back of the book, and if you follow the steps, it's pretty easy. So first thing we're going to do is set the parking stands down. So I've got my tractor in neutral. Set it, you can set your valve lock lever so that you can't accidentally bump the lever. Drop your parking stands into place. Now we're going to restart the tractor. Lower the bucket. You have to have it tilted slightly. You do not want to put weight on the parking stands. And we're going to remove the mounting pins. When you get it to the right spot, the pins slide out easily. Roll your bucket down. And the loader comes out of the mounts. Next thing we'll have to do is release our hydraulic hoses. So with the tractor shut off, I'm now going to release the pressure on the hydraulic system. All right, Pressure's off. Take your caps loose. Put your dust plugs in place. You have to do that on all four, of course, and then you're ready to back your tractor away. It's a good idea to set it on a solid surface and level. Could be more level than what I just did. Makes it easier to hook back up. The procedure to put it on is just the reverse. Thank you.